Want to pick a category on one sheet, and see only the matching items on another? Select fruits on sheet 1. And sheet 2 shows apples, bananas, oranges, mango, and grapes. That's the power of dependent drop-downs across sheets. Let me show you how step by step. Let's start with the data. On sheet 1, I'll create a column for categories and list fruits, vegetables, and drinks. Now, on sheet 2, I'll create separate lists for each category. This way, each category has its own list of items. Next, we need to create named ranges, so Excel knows where to find each list. On sheet 2, select the entire list, including the headers. Now, go to the Formulas tab. Click Create from Selection. In the dialog box, check Top Row, since your headers are in the first row. Click OK. One thing to keep in mind, make sure the names exactly match the categories you typed in sheet 1. Now, go to sheet 1 and select the cell where you want the user to pick a category, let's say C2. Go to the Data tab. Then Data Validation. Choose List. And in the source box, select your categories, fruits, vegetables, and drinks. Click OK. And now you can select any category from a drop-down menu. Here comes the magic. Go to sheet 2. Select the cell where you want the items list to appear, let's say E2. Again, go to Data Validation. Choose List. But this time, in the source box, type equals indirect. Open parenthesis. Go to sheet 1. And select the cell C2. Close the formula. Here's what's happening. The indirect function looks at the category chosen on sheet 1, and matches it with the named ranges we created. That's why naming them properly is so important. Finally, click OK. Let's test it. Now, if I choose vegetables on sheet 1, sheet 2 instantly shows carrot, spinach, broccoli, lettuce, and potato in the drop-down. Pick fruits on sheet 1. Sheet 2 only shows apples, bananas, oranges, and so on. Now, change to drinks. Sheet 2 updates with coffee, juice, soda, and so on. Perfect! We now have a fully functional dependent drop-down list across multiple sheets. If you expect your item lists to grow in the future, turn them into Excel tables by pressing Ctrl+T. This way, when you add more items like cherry under fruits, your dependent drop-down updates automatically, no extra setup needed. And that's it. Dependent drop-downs make forms and trackers way smarter. How would you use this inventory, HR, or something else? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.